iiQWorks is a robot simulation software offering a wide range of advanced features for programming and simulating KUKA robots across diverse applications. KUKA iiQWorks offers various additional applications, including the robot slicer software P3D. P3D, developed by Addon is designed for slicing complex geometries and enabling robotic 3D printing on systems such as KUKA robots. It is specifically engineered for large-scale manufacturing as well as advanced non-planar printing, as demonstrated by the component shown here. The operation is extremely straightforward. Using the P3D icons, an STL model is imported. Subsequently, parameters for various strategies such as contour, helix, geodesic, or infill are assigned to the component. These parameters are stored within the component. After clicking the Calculate button, the 3D slicing path is computed in the background. In our example, a complex geodesic toolpath is generated, enabling the robot to print a part without the need for infill or support structures. This approach is particularly ideal for large components and high-speed printing processes. Now let's enjoy the simulation. Toolpath created by P3D